Forest conservation movements in India. Chipko Movement. The Chipko Movement started in 1973 in the Uttarakhand region, which was then part of Uttar Pradesh. Key figures in this movement were Sunderlal, Bahuguna and Gaura Devi. The primary objective was to protect trees from being felled by hugging them. Chipko means to hug in Hindi. The impact of this movement was significant, leading to a ban on tree felling in the region and raising awareness about the importance of forests. Appiko Movement. The Appiko Movement began in 1983 in the Western Ghats of Karnataka. Panduranga Hegde was a key figure in this movement. Inspired by the Chipko movement, it aimed to save trees from commercial logging and industrialization. The movement successfully stopped the felling of trees in the region and promoted environmental conservation. Silent Valley Movement. The Silent Valley Movement started in the 1970s in Kerala. Key figures in this movement included K.A. Shankara Menon and M.K. Prasad. The primary objective was to prevent the construction of a hydroelectric project that threatened the biodiversity of the Silent Valley, a tropical rainforest. The impact of this movement was significant, leading to the establishment of Silent Valley National Park in 1984, protecting its unique flora and fauna. Gandhamardhan Movement. The Gandhamardhan movement emerged in the 1980s in Odisha. Local tribal communities and environmental activists were key figures in this movement. Their objective was to stop bauxite mining in the Gandhamardhan Hills, which was a source of livelihood and cultural heritage for the local tribes. The movement successfully halted the mining project, preserving the ecological and cultural significance of the region. People's Biodiversity Register, or PBR. The objective of the PBR is to document the biodiversity in a particular area, including knowledge of local species, their uses, and conservation practices. Initiated under the Biological Diversity Act of 2002, the register is prepared by local communities with the help of biodiversity management committees. The significance of the PBR is immense, as it helps in the conservation of biodiversity, promotes sustainable use of resources, and preserves traditional knowledge. Additionally, the PBR aids in the fair and equitable sharing of benefits arising from the use of biological resources. Conclusion. These movements and initiatives reflect the collective efforts of communities and activists in India to conserve forests and biodiversity. They highlight the importance of grassroots activism and community involvement in environmental conservation and sustainable development.